Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up for a blockchain.com wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply open up your blockchain app on your phone, and now afterwards you're going to find this option of create account right away. Now that is basically how you're going to sign up. So tap on it and simply add a new country of residence, and then enter your referral code if you have one. If you don't have one, next, and now enter your email. Then you're simply going to create yourself a password, then re-enter the password. Once you're done entering, tap on confirm at the bottom, tap on save password, and now create yourself a pin. Okay, allow the face ID for the easy access, and there we go, we have successfully signed up. We can do further settings by going to our app itself. We can check the verification and etc, etc. We simply have to verify as well, but we can simply go to our email. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.